Here we are going to connect a fiber patch cord in the structured cabling system in this horizontal distribution area rack. We have already pulled the fiber patch cord through the grommeted holes in the cable management channel, so we are ready to make the final connections. This fiber has already been inspected with the fiber inspection scope and is ready to be connected. We will route the end of the fiber patch cord through the cable fingers, remove the dust-proof caps, and gently but firmly insert it into the assigned port of the shuttered patch panel, making a good connection. Next, we will do the same thing with the other end of the fiber patch cord. We route the fiber through the cable management fingers, remove the dust caps, and remove the dust cover from the SFP transceiver. Again, we gently but firmly insert the fiber cable connector to make a good connection. Lastly, we insert the SFP into the assigned dedicated switch port.